In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of TD Ameritrade, the well-known brokerage firm that served traders and investors for decades. If you're thinking about using it, wondering how it stacks up in 2025, or simply curious about its strengths and weaknesses, this review is for you. Let's start with the strong points. TD Ameritrade offers commission-free trading for you. Stocks and ETFs, which makes it competitive with modern brokers. It provides a very broad selection of investment products, stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, options, futures, bonds, giving you a lot of flexibility regardless of whether you're a beginner or more advanced. One of its standout features is the thinkorswim platform, which is widely regarded as one of the most powerful trading platforms available, with advanced charting, screening tools, backtesting, and mobile/desktop versions. The educational resources are also first-rate, with extensive tutorials, webinars, and materials designed for different experience levels. Customer service and reputation are solid. TD Ameritrade has long been a trusted name in the industry. Now, the caveats, because nothing is perfect. One major point: TD Ameritrade does not offer fractional share trading, at least until full integration with its parent company, and does not support direct cryptocurrency trading in many of its accounts. Also, though the basic stock/ETF commission is zero, some products, mutual funds, penny stocks, futures still carry fees. Another factor: TD Ameritrade was acquired by Charles Schwab, and the full integration is ongoing, meaning the platform is in transition, and some users have reported hiccups during the merge from TD's system into Schwab's system. That transition means that if you open a new account, you might ultimately be using Schwab's platform instead of TD's familiar interface. Who is TD Ameritrade best for? If you are an intermediate to advanced investor or trader who values strong tools, wide asset access, options and futures trading, and great educational resources, TD Ameritrade is a very strong choice. If you're a beginner who wants ultra-simple investing with automatic features, or you mainly want to buy a few funds and forget about it, you might feel that TD's breadth of tools is more than you need, or you might prefer a platform with fractional shares in crypto from day one. My verdict: TD Ameritrade remains a top-tier brokerage platform with plenty of power and flexibility. It's not necessarily the easiest or the most minimalist set-it-and-go option for very small or casual investing, but if you're serious about managing a portfolio, trading actively, or using advanced tools, it delivers real value. Just keep in mind the transition under Schwab and the lack of some newer features like fractional shares or full crypto access, depending on account type. Let me know in the comments if you've used TD Ameritrade or are considering opening an account with it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more honest and easy-to-understand reviews of brokerage platforms and investing tools.